Darshika Verma. Welcome back to Expo Media. Today we are going to cover Indian fashion, jewelry and accessory show. And if you are a fashion freak and interested to see new jewelry design, then this show is best for you. This is happening from 4th to 6th July. In Expo Mart, Greater Noida, you can come easily by the metro. The nearest metro station is Knowledge Park 2. You can come by your own vehicle as well. The parking facilities are available at near gate number 1. So let's go inside and see what are the new fashion trends and what are the new designs in jewelry. Hello ma'am.
Hi,
May I know your name
I'm Pooja Malhotra.
and what your brands make?
So my partner Prerna and I, we started this brand Regine, wherein we use industrial waste denim and we make bags out of it. Along with that, we infuse traditional Indian crafts onto our bags to give it a nice, beautiful, exquisite look, contemporary look and feel. So what you see here is traditional, desert embroidery, which is slowly dying, but we try and bring it back through our bags in contemporary silhouettes, new designs. So that's what we do.
And what more designs that you guys make?
So we have a lot of, we use a lot of crafts. We use, we are doing chikankari, we are doing hand block printing on denim, we are doing thread embroidery, sequence work, applique work. So we try and fuse, we try and blend a lot of traditional crafts onto our bags to give it a twist to the modern, give it a modern avatar to the traditional crafts.
And this year, this expo is about the fashion, jewelry and accessories. So
Right.
what trend you guys are following this year?
So denim is actually trending a lot, and therefore, we feel that we are hoping that this does excite the buyers. This
And
year.
since how many years you guys are exhibiting here?
Well, we are a young brand. We've been exhibiting here for the last this is our third year, and we are a young brand. We're just about 3 to 4 years old.
And how's the response you're getting from audience?
Some response has been encouraging. We've had a mix of both international and domestic buyers inquiring about our products.
And if anyone wants to do business with your brand, so what opportunities they will get, business opportunities as in?
Well, it depends. Once they interact with us, we have plethora of opportunities, both from the manufacturing side as well as as well as collaborative.
So do you guys manufacture your own
Yes,
products?
we manufacture our own products, so we can collaborate either way. Yeah.
What is your website if anyone wants to buy or contact you?
Well, our website is soon going to be live. It's not yet live, but it will be.
And
It's called
Instagram
regine.in. Yeah, both Instagram and our website are regine.in, rejean.in.
Thank you so much. ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Hello ma'am.
Yeah, hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are
Yes,
you?
please. I'm all well. Yes, please.
May I know your name?
My name is Khushbu Singh. I am running a company name of Arya Fashions.
And what your brand
Actually,
makes?
my company we are a manufacturing factory of the handicraft fashion jewelry and fashion bags.
And what product you guys are showcasing today?
The same what we manufacture, we are showcasing the same. We are showcasing here every kind of handicraft jewelry and every kind of bags which we make. Like we make a variety of bags, like if you say party bag or a beach bags or a clutch or a evening bag or a tote bag, any kind of bag we make, every kind of handcrafted jewelry we make, and we are showcasing everything here.
So can you please show us?
Yeah, sure. Like for example, you can see here the segment of a jewelry here. These are our latestly designed earrings, and our designs are so enhanced by the European markets because we work with the very big famous brands as well as the chain stores, and we work with their collective designers together. And when we collaborate their designs with our designers, and the results is in front of you, that we make a huge new collection as per the trends, whether it's spring summer or whether it's fall winter. You will find every season collection over here.
Any trends that you are following this year?
Yeah, trends basically the new enhanced, new launched thing we have introduced is the sustainable jewelry. We are working on an eco-friendly, sustainable jewelry by using the organic cottons and recycled cottons and polyester, and we imbibe those fabrics in our jewelry designs to make the sustainable organic jewelries.
And if anyone wants to do business with you, what opportunities they will get?
The overseas buyer will get the profound, efficient services from us, and by that they have a commitment from us. They have a commitment of the samples. They have a commitment of the all the stages like the QC. The quality control is so profound in my factory. We have a certified jewelry. These all are tested as per the European norms as well as the US California norms. We make them with the certified tested things.
Can you please show us the bag collection as well?
Yeah, now you come to the point of the bags. If I show you, like, these are our all the party wear clutch collections, evening bags. These are all the hand embroidered bags. This is one of the segment. You can see every single bead has done by hand under my factory in my manufacturing unit. And the second, if you come here, these are the handloom bags. This is all by the handloom. In Hindi we say is a khaddi work. This is what here it is done. Here when you come here, you can see a raffia bag and a tote bag and a jute bag. Here you can see the beautiful box bag with the sea creatures over here, which is handmade, and here is the cotton, and the base we have used, which is organic cotton.
Oh,
Yes,
that's
so this
incredible.
is we make the fusion of organic with sustainability with fashion things to create a fusion in the fashion world with the quality thing.
And what's the cost lies between?
Cost, there is not a fixed cost of anything, but we give a good competitive prices so that our buyers, our purchaser, be comfortable to have them in a reasonable cost.
And since how many years you guys are exhibiting here, and how's the response?
Yeah, that's a very interesting question because I am already in this trade from over 19 years. And when If Jazz has launched, it's the 19th edition, and from the very first edition I am here with the If Jazz and exhibiting continuously every year.
How's the response you're getting?
The response is, as always, it's a good, it's a dynamic, it's a fruitful platform. I always mention that because whenever you come here is a If Jazz, it's a jewelry accessory show. So the buyers are, whoever is coming is the focused buyer. Whoever wants to buy jewelry as well as the accessories, they visit. So whoever the customer you see is your customer, you can say that.
And what is the website if anyone wants to contact you?
We generally have the directory of the fair. In that, every contact of ours and every exporter over here you will find there. So my factory name is Arya Fashions. The first page, the first name in the directory is ours. So you can find me there and find our all the contacts there.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. My pleasure.
Till I have shown you accessories and jewelry. So stay tuned till the end. I will be showing you more new fashion trends, what are the latest designs in fashion industry, what are the latest designs brands are showcasing today. मैम,
हेलो,
क्या मैं आपका नाम जान सकती हूँ?
रितु कुमार।
मैम, आपकी ब्रांड ऑल अबाउट क्या बनाती है, किस बारे में है?
हमारी ब्रांड में आपको बैम्बू ज्वेलरी मिलेगी और जूट ज्वेलरी।
मैम, आप हमें दिखा सकते हो क्या क्या प्रोडक्ट्स आज आप दिखा रहे हैं?
ये हमारे प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, जूट ज्वेलरी एंड बैम्बू ज्वेलरी। और ये काफ़ी लाइट वेटेड हैं, नेचुरल हैं। और जैसे हमने यहाँ पे सीड्स का यूज़ किया है, जैसे ये सोपनट सीड्स हैं इसमें, और सैंडल सीड्स, रेड सैंडल सीड्स जो नॉर्थ ईस्ट में होता है।
आगे मैम, जैसे आपने ये वाला पीस बनाया, ये किससे बना है?
ये सब बैम्बू से बना है। बैम्बू स्ट्रिप्स को क्विलिंग करते हैं, उसी से बनाते हैं। आर्टिसन है मेरे काफ़ी, और विलेजेस में फीमेल्स भी हैं आर्टिसन, वो बनाते हैं, उनसे बनवाते हैं। और कुछ पीसेस मैं भी डिज़ाइन कराती हूँ, जैसे ये वाले पीसेस हैं जो ये सब
ये
मैंने, और ये सारे पीसेस मैंने डिज़ाइन खुद किए हैं, खुद पेंट
वाह।
किया हुआ है।
और मैम, अगर इनकी प्राइस रेंज क्या रहती है?
प्राइस रेंज बहुत नॉमिनल है, 1500 to 4000।
और जैसे कोई आपके साथ बिजनेस के लिए जुड़ना चाहेगा तो उसको क्या अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मिली अगर वो आपके साथ जुड़ता है तो?
अगर वो हमारे साथ, तो हम जो हमारे इंडिया का हेरिटेज है हम उसको प्रमोट करते हैं पहले तो। और हेल्प होती है इससे उन लोगों की जो हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं। और बेसिकली ये जो ज्वेलरी है ये कुछ अलग है, मतलब ज्वेलरी आपने मेटल की देखी होगी और डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ ज्वेलरी आप देखते हैं, बट ये थोड़ा सा ऑक्सीडाइज हो गई, जर्किन है, स्टोन्स है। बट ये जो ज्वेलरी कलेक्शन है ये आपको अभी नहीं मिलेगा कहीं, ये थोड़ा नया है, तो जो फॉरनर्स हैं उनको बहुत पसंद आ रहा है, जो बाहर से बायर्स आते हैं वो काफ़ी लाइक करते हैं।
और इस साल आप क्या नया फैशन ट्रेंड फॉलो कर रहे हो?
फैशन ज्वेलरी हमारा नया निकलता रहता है, नए स्टॉक्स आते रहते हैं। मैं खुद भी डिज़ाइन करती हूँ और बनाती भी हूँ। तो अभी जैसे हमने न्यू राखी लॉन्च किया है, ये हमारा नया प्रोडक्ट है, अभी राखी आने वाला है।
तो इस बार नया फैशन ट्रेंड ये वाली
हाँ,
हेरिटेज
बैम्बू
राखी होगी,
Yes.
बैम्बू राखी। एंड मैम, आप लोग कितने टाइम से यहाँ पे एग्जिबिट कर रहे हैं?
मुझे 2 years हो गए हैं।
एंड कैसा रिस्पॉन्स आता है आपको?
रिस्पॉन्स बहुत अच्छा है।
इस बार कैसा आ रहा है?
अच्छा,
मैम, आपकी वेबसाइट के अगर कोई भी जैसे प्रोडक्ट खरीदना चाहे या बिजनेस के लिए कांटेक्ट करना चाहे तो?
हाँ, तो हमारा वेबसाइट आपको गूगल पे सर्च करेंगे तो भी मिल जाएगा। ब्रांड का नेम आप डालेंगे तो मिल जाएगा, आर्टिरियस बाई रितु।
क्या चीज़?
आर्टिरियस बाई रितु।
थैंक यू सो मच मैम।
थैंक यू।
मैम, आपका नाम जान सकती हूँ?
मैं लेखराज महेश्वरी, आई एम द फॉर्मर चेयरमैन ऑफ BPCH, also director of India Association Mart Limited, and also members of Corporate Sector Skill Council for Handicrafts. So I am doing this 30 years. I am with the EPCH.
And what your brands make?
We are mainly with textile items, textile garments, textiles bags, textile cushion cover, textile throw. This is our item, mainly item. We are from Balmer.
You manufacture your own products?
Yeah, we have 2 lakhs artisan in Balmer. So there we do give the work and we are manufacturing their items only.
And what your product range lies between?
Our range is very cheaper. We are cheaper from all over India because we are manufacturing. So we want to give the employment to the ladies. So that's why we want to low rate, product, low capacity, higher capacity to buy, purchase our items.
And what fashion trend you guys are following this year?
Fashion is every year fashion change. Every year whatever they give fashion weeks are they give that idea that item we can make.
And since how many years you guys are exhibiting here?
I am here I am here 30 years. Since fair started from 94, first fair. Then we start work.
And how is the response you're getting this year from audience?
The response is very good, but we enlarge this fair. This fair we add the garments people and our handloom people and new more items. So that's why we want to bigger the fair like as our autumn fair.
And if anyone wants to do business with you, what business opportunities they will get?
The business opportunity we are doing well, all contact with all embassies. We bring the new market tap, which market cannot be tap. That market we can try to tap the buyer, come from there.
And what is the website if anyone wants to contact you?
So we have website name. Our website is there, or also my business card I will give you.
Website is this. You can easily contact by this website.
Website you can contact. My son is Mr. Rohit Kumar. He is dealing with him.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Today I have shown you all the designs of jewelry, accessories and new fashion trends. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching till the end. I will meet you in the next one. Till then, take care.